record. 15 wins, 5 losses, no draws, 12 wins by knockout. He hails all the way from Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental. Let's hear it for Marco John Rementizo. Knockout. Fighting out of the Johnny Alorde stable in Parañaque, Metro Manila. Here is Jimel Magramo.
The Pacquiao Alorde Whites Night. That will follow this fight. Ito na po, round number 1, we are scheduled for 10. Magramo is the fighter with the red gloves. And si Rementizo po is the fighter with the black gloves. Kaliwete po si Rementizo. And he is a former WBC Asian light flyweight champion. However, he is moving up in weight. His last fight was 2 years ago. And he fought in the minimum weight division. That was in China. Natalo po siya. But now he's moving up in weight. So many weight classes from 104 3/4 pounds. 2 years ago in his last fight, he now moves up to 115 pounds. Rementizo has lost 5 times, and one of them to a former IBF minimum weight champion, si Samuel Salva. At si Magramo naman po, well, you know that he once fought for the WBO Flyweight Championship in Tokyo. Natalo po siya ni Junto Nakatani, one of the idols of Japanese boxing. That was during the pandemic years in 2020. He lost by a knockout in the 8th round, but he has recovered. He has won several fights now in his comeback, in his bid to regain his lost footing. Si Magramo po was introduced to boxing by his father Melvin, who once fought Manny Pacquiao at 4 years old. And then he became an amateur boxer at 11 years old. Now he's 31 years old. And he's was once highly rated by the world boxing bodies, now trying to make a name for himself as a PBO champion. And of course, with Senator Manny Pacquiao was the chairman of PBO, he's hoping to be able to get the different world governing bodies to recognize the PBO champions in their world ratings. So we're looking forward to big things from the PBO. Naging pro po si Magramo in 2012, si Rementizo po in 2017. A lot of fights under the belt of Magramo. This is his 4th blow-by-blow appearance, while si Rementizo is making his debut on Manny Pacquiao's Presents Blow-by-Blow. You remember back in 2023, si Rementizo had back-to-back knockout wins in Thailand. Knockout puncher po si Rementizo, 12 knockouts in 15 wins. Magramo shooting off that left jab, fighting out of the orthodox stance. And si Rementizo also throwing that right jab out of his southpaw stance. That's the end of round number 1. The Magramos family tradition is they all come to fight. They're all sluggers. And let's see how Magramo faces up to this challenge of Rementizo. Rementizo throwing some combinations, then throwing that left straight to the body of Magramo. And you can expect Magramo to use that right hand, right straight, against a southpaw. There's the right straight coming from Magramo. And then the left jab. No big punches landed so far in this fight. Action in the center of the ring. Neither fighter pressing the action, neither fighter applying pressure. They're fighting from a distance. Neither fighter moving close. Content to fight from that range. And that's to the advantage of Magramo because of his reach. Magramo continuing to throw those punches. Left, rights, jabs, straights. And let's see whether the 2-year layoff of Ramentizo is going to affect his stamina down the stretch. Kanina nabanggit natin yung mga titles won by Magramo. He's actually won even more. He was a former WBO Oriental Flyweight Champion, former WBO International Flyweight Champion, former WBC International Flyweight Champion. Kanya nga, he was once ranked #1 in the world. But now, trying to make a name for himself in the higher weight division, the super flyweight division with a weight limit of 115 pounds. But fighters appear to just be sparring. And the fans might be getting a little impatient. They want action. Some big punches. Not too much power behind the shots being thrown by both Ramentizo and Magramo. Magramo throwing that left jab, but not with too much authority. And round number 2 is coming close to the close. And that's the end of round number 2. Things will change here in round number 3. Southpaw versus Orthodox. Magramo throwing that left jab, then coming in with the right straight. He's got to be able to step in. That means you watch his right foot. His left foot is leading. Once that right foot goes on top of the left foot, that means he's charging in. And that's what I mean, exactly. When he threw that right hand, that right foot elevated. Pansinin natin ang footwork ng dalawang mga boksinero. And a lot of fighters actually look at the feet of their opponents to determine what to anticipate in terms of what punches are going to be thrown. Here's a slight interruption as getting a warning here from referee Tomeldan because of the low blow by Ramentizo. Referee Tomeldan is giving Magramo just a few seconds to shake off that low blow. Just a warning, no point deduction, not yet at least. Ramentizo throwing that right hand, but it's not connecting. He's just pawing away with that right hand, but he's got to throw the left. That's his killer punch. The guy's a southpaw. Hindi pa natin masyado nakikita yung kaliwa ni Ramentizo. And the crowd, the fans are expecting a lot more action than what they're seeing. Some punches to the midsection by both these fighters. Left hand connected there by Ramentizo. Very rarely has he thrown that left. Magramo appears to be closing in. And that time he threw that very stiff right straight. He needs to throw that a lot more. Ramentizo countering. Not allowing Magramo to take the initiative. Combinations being thrown here by Magramo, but not too much power behind the punches. Right hand connected by Magramo. Flush in the face of Ramentizo. A left hand to the body by Magramo. Ramentizo counters back. And that's the end of round number 3. Marami na tayong mga kaibigan dito. Sabi nga natin kanina, it's a standing room only. dito sa Grand Ballroom ng Okada, Manila. Fans are now clapping and urging both fighters to show more action in the ring. Rementizo. Well, that was a hard shot by Rementizo. A left hand to the body of Magramo. Magramo with a left jab. Magramo with a right hand. Action is picking up now in the fourth round. A right hand, that's right straight of Magramo, now connecting. Another right straight coming from Magramo. Rementizo moving around. He's catching a lot of leather now. This is a good round so far for Magramo. He's pushing Rementizo back. Rementizo's backpedaling. Another warning here for a low blow. That'll be the second warning on Rementizo. And the third warning will be a point deduction. So he's got to be careful. In a close fight, a point deduction could be meaningful. Yung right straight na hinahanap natin kay Magramo, we're seeing it now. Right down the middle. Rementizo backing off. You notice his foot movement paatras as Magramo is now showing more aggressiveness as he moves closer to his opponent. Tumaas na yun ang work rate ni Magramo. Another right straight connected. Rementizo just missing with the right hand. Another right straight connected by Magramo. And still a right hand coming from Magramo. That's connecting now with consistency. Rementizo's defense breaking down. Magramo now stepping close. He's narrowing the gap. Siya ngayon ang dictating the action. He's forcing Rementizo to backpedal. That was a big shot coming from Magramo, right hand. That might have staggered Rementizo. All of a sudden, action has really, really picked up dito sa fourth round. And a big round for Jimel Magramo. Lang sa power. I think he had a little more power behind the punches. Napatumba na niya si Rementizo. Let's see what Rementizo can come up with here in round number 5. Magramo dominated round number 4. Tingnan natin kung si Magramo will continue his assault and seize momentum. Magramo pulling away with that left hand. And then he comes close. That time a right hand by Magramo caught Rementizo off guard. Rementizo expecting the left jab from Magramo. All of a sudden, Magramo threw that right straight. Rementizo continues to pull away with that right hand, pero hindi kumukonekta. Magramo just looking to break down the defense of Rementizo bit by bit. Unti-unti. Mapasok siya, tearing down that defense. Rementizo continuing to throw the right hand. Walang tinatamaan yung kanan na jab ni Rementizo. Oh, and that time, Magramo connecting. That was a hard shot. A left hand and then the right. And I think Magramo's figured out Rementizo's defense and also his lack of offense. Just short punches being thrown here by Magramo. Right hand score there by Ramentizo. Another right hand by Ramentizo. Right hand coming from Magramo. And then a right hand from Ramentizo. The left side of the body and face of Magramo opening up. Kung kaya't ito si Ramentizo, nakakapasok na ng kanyang kanan. But Ramentizo is connecting with straights and hooks, not with a jab. Here's Magramo on top of Ramentizo. This is the style that we've known, the Magramos, the rugged style of coming close to his opponent. Kanina Ramentizo, we saw him try a bolo punch. We haven't seen that in a long, long time. Oh, big left hand coming from Magramo and a counter assault here from Ramentizo. As the bell ending round number 5. And that was a furious rally. PBO Championship at stake. Kausap po natin ang PBO President Miguel Orde at tinanong po natin siya if the PBO Championship will compete with the GAB Philippine Championship o kaya yung Philippine Boxing Federation Championship. At sabi naman niya, hindi. The more champions we have, the better for the Philippine boxing industry and also to get more champions, more Filipino fighters recognized by the world boxing bodies. And so that is the rationale kung bakit meron na tayong PBO. And of course, Senator Manny Pacquiao will be backing it up and promoting the PBO champions and PBO fighters. Ito si Ramentizo on the attack. He's connecting. He's throwing punches. Ramentizo being given a warning here. Here we go. Wala pang point deduction yun. But Ramentizo, he started this round furiously. And that left jab of Magramo just keeping Ramentizo at bay. Kanya hindi nakakaporma si Ramentizo kasi pasok ng pasok. Yung kaliwang jab ni Magramo. Now Ramentizo closing the gap, trying to move in. Now he's got Magramo pinned along the ropes. Nakawala kaagad si Magramo. Ramentizo is looking for a standing target. He needs Magramo to just stay steady para matamaan niya. Magramo now opening up. Left hand connected by Ramentizo and then the right. But more punches coming from Magramo. And those punches of Magramo, they're scoring points. Hindi lang niya nasasaktan si Ramentizo. And you're wondering where the power of Magramo went. He has 24 knockouts in 31 wins. But he hasn't hurt Ramentizo in this fight yet. Ramentizo naman, 12 knockouts in 15 wins. And that's the end of round number 6, round number 7. Action continues here in round number 7. Ramentizo looking to step it up. Just like what he did in round number 6. Sa pag-umpisa ng round number 6, siyang umatake. And he put Magramo on the defensive a little bit. Here we go again. Ramentizo throwing a lot of punches. Work rate ni Ramentizo has gone up. 2 left hands coming from Ramentizo, rocking the head of Magramo. And this is close quarters fighting. More punches being rained by Ramentizo. Magramo not feeling the effect of that attack as he fights back. Shots to the head there by Magramo. Rementizo a little off balance here. He comes charging back with a right jab. Neither fighter backing down. A fierce exchange happening here in round number 7. Rementizo had the upper hand kanina lamang. Now it looks like he's run out of gas a little bit, and it's Magramo who is now dictating. Magramo connecting with those punches from close distance, but he's not hurting Rementizo. Mukhang kayang-kaya ni Rementizo yung power ni Magramo. And the same thing with Magramo. Some clear shots being landed, but no damaging effect. Either way, here's a series of uppercuts by Magramo. Round coming to a close. And Rementizo continuing to wail away with no meaningful effect. And that's the end of the round. In our unofficial scorecards, Magramo ahead. A knockdown could be very, very critical in turning the tide either way. But neither fighter showing the ability to score a knockdown. See, not too much power behind those shots of Magramo, and neither Rementizo. You know, the positive thing about this fight is that neither fighter is backing down. They continue to throw punches, exchanging blows to the head, to the body. Sige lang, si Magramo scoring with short chopping blows, and Rementizo throwing from the outside and connecting. Uppercut thrown by Magramo, and then the left hook. Rementizo also throwing some shots, but neither fighter has been hurt in this fight. They're connecting, they're landing, but kulang sa power. A left hand connected there by Rementizo, not another left hand. But Magramo also landing. Both fighters again connecting. The work rate that's been steady for both guys. At eto si Magramo trying to step into that strike zone once more, closing the gap despite his reach advantage. But hindi niya nasasaktan si Rementizo. Same thing with Rementizo, even as he's also connecting with clean shots. And this round is coming to a close. Rementizo continuing to throw. Yan na. In
End
round
of that
number
round.
9. Rementizo with a high guard. At si Magrama naman continuing to probe. It looks like another low blow. Magramo is down. I don't know if it's a low blow or might have hurt his knee. And they're going to give a 1-point deduction now on Rementizo. 1-point deduction in round number 9 on Rementizo. That was a low blow. Well done. Let's watch this now on this replay. That looked like a shot below the belt line. Panoorin po natin. And Magramo going back to his corner. You watch it again. Was it below the belt line or right on the belt line? Going over to a corner, and as a result, on the third infraction, nabigyan na ng 1-point deduction si Rementizo, ni referee Tomeldan. That was a low blow as ascertained by referee Tomeldan. So malaking bagay yun. Kung makuha ni Magramo itong round na to, this will be like a knock. Oh, another low blow. Bumagsak na naman si Magramo. And Magramo is down on all fours.
1-point deduction low blow.
And he's going to be given
1-point deduction low blow.
clearly
1-point low blow.
another rest period. Pangalawang point deduction na yan. So it's almost like Magramo scored a knockdown in this fight. 2 points taken away from Rementizo. Ito, panurin natin. That was clearly a low blow. That was no doubt a low blow. Panurin po natin. May wind up pa. Galing kay Rementizo. Ang baba nun. And for Rementizo, that's the second deduction in the same round. Another low blow. That's grounds for disqualification.
Right time in.
Nasa round 9 na tayo dito. That last low blow was quite damaging. Dumapa doon si Magramo. He went down on his stomach. Rementizo has a lot of ground to cover. That's a big right hand coming from Magramo. 2-point deductions for Rementizo in the same round for low blows. It's a furious exchange now between the fighters. Rementizo's fighting on desperation. He's looking for a knockout. The only way that he can win this fight is if he scores a knockout. But Magramo is now battering Rementizo and hurting him. Shots to the body by Magramo. Still trying to break down that very tight high guard ni Rementizo. And Rementizo really has to be careful. Another low blow, and I think he could be disqualified. Both fighters connecting. Magramo, however, has been able to land solidly with the left hand. Rementizo also connecting. But looks like at this point, Magramo has a little more power than Rementizo. Rementizo's feeling the effect of those punches by Magramo. Patapos na ang round down natin. And that's it. That's the end of round number 9. The ring, let's get it on. Eventful round. Here we go. Round number 9. Rementizo looked like he was desperately looking for a knockout. Makukuha kaya niya ang knockout. Magramo very comfortably ahead on points. At tinatamaan naman ni Ramentizo si Magramo. Yung nga lang, walang masyadong power. Kaya ni Magramo yung mga suntok ni Ramentizo. Now Ramentizo, look at the way he's going. Taas ng work rate ngayon ni Ramentizo, but might be a little too late. Ramentizo's crouching to avoid the straight punches ni Magramo, hoping that if he crouches, at least he won't get hit by any straight. But Magramo, it's up to him to adjust and throw some uppercuts. Once naka-crouch si Ramentizo. But once upright si Ramentizo, tinatamaan siya ni Magramo. Yun ang sinasabi natin. Once Ramentizo is upright, Magramo's going to town with that right straight. Action slowing down now. Ramentizo, I thought in the beginning of this round, gave it all he had, but couldn't inflict too much damage on Magramo. Less than a minute to go in this fight. Right hand scored there by Magramo. A left hand by Magramo and Ramentizo. Now doing a little bit of a Sugar Ray Leonard wind up. Magramo continuing to connect. And this should be a very clear victory on points by Magramo as he is set to claim the vacant Philippine Boxing Organization Super Flyweight Championship. There's a 10-second clapper. Matatapos na po ang laban. We are going to be seeing the crowning of the very first PBO champion. And there was a slip there at the sound of the bell by Magramo. That was not.
And Don Arguelles scores about 96-92, all for your winner by unanimous decision. And now Philippine Boxing Organization Super Flyweight Champion Jimel Magramo.
Yan na po ang official announcement. Nanalo po si Jimel Magramo. Siya po ang kauna-unahang Philippine Boxing Organization Super Flyweight Champion. Tinalo po niya si Marco John Ramentizo by a unanimous decision. It wasn't close. Nagkaroon ng 2-point deduction si Ramentizo sa round number 9. Si Senator Tol Tolentino is in the ring. And then, PBO President Miguel Orde giving Magramo a t-shirt. I think that'll say PBO.
The ambassador to the Philippines from Kuwait, His Excellency
And that is the new PBO belt.
Mohammed Al-Nibari and his wife Michelle Al-Kandari and son Badr Al-Nibari. Thank you very much for everything you do for the relations between Kuwait and the Philippines, and thank you for coming tonight.
Ayan po ang